You know, they say you can't get a house for less than $350,000 in Utah. You know what I say? They're liars. Behind me is a townhome in a great location in the ranches of Eagle Mountain, priced at $345,000, and it's available right now. Let's go step inside and give you a tour. And just so you know, I'll be putting all the information for this property in the description below so you can see everything you need to know. If you have questions or you'd like to tour this home, don't hesitate to call me. When you open the front door here, you can see you step into the family room. It's all set up for your TV and everything. You got a ceiling fan there, and you got a window looking into the kitchen, so that's kind of cool. The first thing you have here is your coat closet. We'll go upstairs last, but let's go ahead and step into the corner, give you a full feel for the size of this space here. Once again, you got your kitchen through there. You can see this is a big, nice open space here. Got a little bench there. Underneath the window. That would take us to the basement. We'll check that out in just a minute. But first, you got your dining area right here. And a little pantry there as well. Step into the corner here. You can see the backyard there. We'll check that out in just a second. That's a great little kitchen. The refrigerator's included, oven, microwave, the dishwasher, all that stays. You can see there's plenty of space here. There's actually a fairly decent sized townhome, but you got an upgraded faucet there. And once again, this cool little window looking into the family area. So great floor plan. Check out the backyard super quick. Okay, so what's unique about this one is, well, it's nice that you have a little storage space there, but this is fenced off. Not all the units are fenced off, so that is a bonus here. That's your backyard. Okay. Let's head down to the basement first. Okay, so like I said, this basement is finished. And you can see there's a bathroom right here on the stairs. Got some storage there. Burnt out light bulb, gotta get that fixed, replaced, I guess. And then a little sink here. So this is actually a nice size bathroom here. You actually have a shower back here as well. Let's just peek inside real quick. Okay, so there you go. Okay, next you have your washer, dryer. Look, there's a sink right here. Extra refrigerator and freezer. They got some storage here for you. They're gonna leave these storage shelves here. Look at the washer and dryer here. That's nice. They're in great condition. You got your water heater and you have a water softener as well, plus your furnace right here. And then this is the third bedroom, and this thing is huge. This is a huge bedroom. Look at the size of this thing. We're gonna step into the corner over here really quick. To show you from this angle how big everything is. There's a nice big window there, lets in a lot of natural light. And you kind of have two closets over there, which is kind of cool. Let's check these out real quick. Okay, so you can see here, nice big closet space here. And then you also have some extra storage here underneath the stairs. Okay, let's go check out the upstairs real quick. Coming up from the basement, you're gonna step into the family room, kitchen area here. Here's your front door, and we're going up. All right, so when you reach the top of the stairs, you got the master bedroom right here. We're gonna check that out last. You've got a little linen closet here. It's always nice to have that extra space. Sometimes you don't think about it till you move in and there's no space there and you're like, this sucks. But you got a full bathroom here. And then this is a big bedroom. So this is the difference between this floor plan and a lot of the others in this community is this has one big bedroom upstairs instead of two small bedrooms. So step in the corner here, you can see, this is actually a huge bedroom. So, you know, might be kind of cool for you. All right, now come down the hallway here. We're stepping into the master bedroom. Once again, you can see this area, just like the other room, is vaulted. You got a nice big ceiling fan there, a couple of windows, and then your closet is back over here. Let's slide these over. But I did want to show you that it is deep, like along the edges here, it goes down pretty far on both sides. All right, let's go check out the bathroom here. Okay, so you can see in the bathroom here, they got this little shelves here, which is kind of nice. Once again, they got the curved curtain rod right there. And that is your master bathroom. So that's pretty much the floor plan for you. If you have questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you. You're welcome to call me or text me, or if you'd like, you can just leave a comment in the comment section below. Once again, all the information for this house will be in the description below. Okay, so just to give you an idea of where the park is from here, that's the listing there at the red door, and you can see there's a nice little park right over here. This little basketball court and a little table there and a kids play area. And that's literally just a quick walk from the unit, which is, it's right over there with the red door. Okay, so the other great thing about this listing is you're literally just a 1 or 2 minute drive from a massive park over here. So we're just gonna drive over and give you a really quick look at that as well. Got a baseball field right here and another one clear over there. And then just a lot of open space, a little pavilion and a little splash pad clear over in that corner over there. That's the nice thing about Eagle Mountain in general, is that they've got tons of parks. Pretty much everywhere, including 2 massive parks. Give you splash pads, tennis courts, pickleball courts, basketball courts, an outdoor ninja course like American Ninja Warrior course, skate parks, splash pads, all that stuff. So Eagle Mountain is a very family-oriented place, got a lot of family stuff to do, and it is one of the youngest cities in the state, maybe even the youngest city in the state. From this house, you're just minutes from fuel, a car wash, the ranch's golf course, and Walmart, currently under construction. Heading into Eagle Mountain, you're less than 10 minutes from Cedar Valley High School, Macy's, where you can get a con-cone, fast food, and more. Then, less than 10 minutes to the east, Saratoga Springs provides loads of shopping, dining, entertainment, and Avasa. From this property, you're realistically 40 to 60 minutes from Salt Lake City. If you're ready to buy, sell, or build a home in Utah, I get contacted all the time. Please feel free to call or text me with your questions. I'd love to hear from you. If you have a friend or a family member looking to buy or sell a home, you can easily text this video to them. And please, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and ring the bell to be notified each time I post new videos. Remember, you can find me on Instagram at Ty the Real Estate Guy. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to ring that little bell below. It'll make you feel good.